Hello, and thank you for choosing Komatsu products. The purpose of this video is to illustrate the many features found on the D155-8 dozer that provide class-leading operator comfort. Let's get started. Now that we're in the cab, we will discuss the many features that make the Komatsu D155-8 very comfortable for the operator. Visibility from the cab is excellent, allowing the operator to easily monitor the work area. The operator can also monitor the blade digging point through the enlarged viewing area. The ripper can also easily be viewed through the rear window. The cab provides spacious legroom, and the operator's pedals are suspended for easy cleaning of the cab floor. The armrest is very wide for comfortable ripping. The lock levers can be remotely operated for easy operation. The operator seat has air suspension, and the seat is heated. The operator seat has many adjustable features, including lumbar support, height adjustment, and backrest support. The seat direction can also be adjusted. Other features inside the cab include 12 and 24 volt outlets, AM/FM radio with auxiliary input jack, emergency engine shutdown, storage area, cup holder, steering console height adjuster, high-resolution LCD monitor, and rear-view camera. To the left of the machine monitor is the headlamp switch and the rear lamp switch. The cab roof lights can be controlled by using the switch above the operator's right shoulder. The operator can control certain functions by using the monitor switches. The operator can choose power or economy mode by pressing the operation mode switch. Power mode allows the machine to function at maximum engine output, and economy mode can be used to reduce fuel consumption. The gear shift mode selector switch will change the current gear shift mode. The machine must be in neutral to change the current gear shift mode. The customize switch allows the operator to select specific functions to use in the machine and store them into memory. The buzzer cancel switch can temporarily override the buzzer if the machine is experiencing a fault. The work equipment automation switch will turn the blade auto pitch and the ripper auto return on or off. The reverse travel slow mode switch will turn the reverse slow mode on or off. The operator can also adjust the climate control system. Fan speed is controlled by using the fan switch. Fresh air or circulation mode can be selected by using the air selector switch. Temperature control can be controlled by using the temperature control switch. Vent output selection is controlled by the vent selection switch. Automatic control is selected by using the automatic switch. The air conditioner switch can be turned on or off. This switch allows the system to provide cooled air or dry heat. The off switch turns the air conditioning system off. The operator can also receive eco guidance messages in the machine monitor. These messages help the operator form operating habits that help reduce fuel consumption. There are 6 messages that may be displayed in the monitor. Avoid excessive engine idling. This message is displayed if no operation is performed for more than 5 minutes. This message will cancel if any travel lever or parking brake lever is operated again, or if the F5 switch is pressed. Use economy mode to save fuel. This message is displayed if light load work is performed for more than 10 minutes in power mode. The message will go out after approximately 5 seconds, or when the F5 switch is pressed. Avoid hydraulic relief pressure. This message is displayed if the hydraulic system is kept over relief for more than 10 seconds during operation. The message will go out after approximately 5 seconds, or when the F5 switch is pressed. Avoid overload. This message is displayed if the machine is overloaded to the point of shoe slip. This message will go out after approximately 5 seconds, or if the F5 switch is pressed. Use automatic shift mode. This message is displayed if the machine is operated in manual mode for more than 60 minutes without operating the ripper. This message will go out after approximately 5 seconds, or if the F5 switch is pressed. Diesel exhaust fluid low level. This message will appear as a reminder when there is 8 hours or less until engine power is limited due to low diesel exhaust fluid levels. This concludes the operator comfort video for the Komatsu D155-8 dozer. For more information about this product, please contact your local sales representative or visit KomatsuAmerica.com. Thank you for choosing Komatsu products.